Welcome to 4151 Burton Avenue, a brand new modern home located in Richmond, British Columbia. This beautiful home sits on a corner lot and features professional landscaping. Stepping inside, you're greeted by an upscale interior with a modern open-concept floor plan. The living area features large windows, as well as a fireplace and elaborate light fixtures. Next to the living area is the dining room, complete with built-in shelving and a large window. The family room is the perfect place to relax with its tall ceilings, wine rack, and a wall of windows opening up to the patio. The modern chef's kitchen offers stunning millwork, a large island with breakfast bar, and professional series stainless steel appliances. Also in the kitchen is a wine fridge, built-in refrigerator, and stunning fixtures. An eating area rounds off this space. Off the kitchen, you will find a walk kitchen complete with an oversized JennAir gas range. Also on this level, you will find a sitting area complete with a modern feature wall and accent ceilings. A glass enclosed office rounds off this amazing level. Up the modern glass-railed staircase is the master suite. Just like the rest of this home, the master offers a large window, bringing in natural light, and amazing millwork to finish it off. The master also offers a large walk-in closet and an ensuite featuring a glass shower and a soaker tub. This level provides 3 more good-sized bedrooms, each with its own ensuite. Each bedroom features unique finishes and feature walls. Stepping outside, you will love spending time on the large patio overlooking the greenery-filled backyard. Richmond offers many shopping and restaurant options, easy access to the Canada Line SkyTrain, and many community centres.